The most essential tool for every photographer or filmmaker, save for the obvious, which is the camera, lens system, audio recording equipment, the lights, is any form of stabilization. Anything to keep the camera steady and also to give you steady footages. This can be a gimbal, a Steadicam, a tripod, or a monopod. Recently, I got this monopod, a Kingjoy MP3008 monopod. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I unboxed it and also showing you some of the features that it has and also telling you why a monopod is essential for every photographer or filmmaker. Hey there, my name is Nee with I Shoot NG. Welcome to this YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything photography, video production, a little bit of motivation to get you from where you are to where you desire to be. If you think this interests you, why don't you watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you don't miss any episode when they come up. Monopods are essential to any photographer or event filmmaker. They are lightweight, portable, and versatile. They are not a replacement for tripods. The trade-off is portability and speed, which you need at events, over more stability and versatility which tripods offer. The main advantage of the monopod is its portability. Monopods can often be strapped to the outside of a carry-on bag. Monopods are easier to extend and retract than tripods. This can make a big difference at events. Having an adjustable swivel head is not required on monopods. However, this will make it much more versatile, but also will add to the overall bulk. Monopods are generally cheaper. You can actually get a fully functional monopod for less than $20. Even most lightweight carbon fiber and twist locking monopods top out around $100. Of course, you can spend top dollar on branded names. They're generally acceptable in many places where tripods are prohibited. Many of the restrictions on tripod use are based on the space they take up and the tripping danger they present in crowded environments and also for your equipment. Think of the monopod as being the third leg of the tripod. Your leg serves as the other two and guarantees the stability and ease of movement needed at events, where space and portability are the priority, and where you don't have the control over the crowd. The monopod is obviously an essential. The Kingjoy MP3008 has a high-quality safety base. A button is added to the bottom of the tripod to protect the camera from accidental spillage and damage. It also has a quick release plate, which allows the free switch between the 1/4 inch and the 3/8 inch screw for easy and quick installation on cameras and other branded stands, which can be installed directly for a wide range of applications. The Kingjoy MP3008 has a multi-angle shooting function that allows the pan tilt base of the monopod to rotate in 360 degrees. It can be adjusted according to your requirements and need, whether it is for video or microfilming shooting. It is designed with a twist lock button, and you can tighten it to fix the monopod and lose it to easily adjust the monopod shooting angles to achieve multiple shooting angles. It is comfortable to handle and has a very user-friendly design. It also adopts quick-to-use spiral locking design to make the monopod easier to extend and use when needed. Kingjoy MP3008 monopod is made of aluminum alloy with excellent shock absorption and high temperature corrosion resistant technology, which can prevent corrosion, weathering, and prolong the service life of the monopod. It also has a fluid system which gives a visual aid to its stability. I got mine for $83, but it retails for about $130 now. I've used it for a couple of events recently, and if you ask me, I would say it's value for money spent. Thank you guys for watching. If you got value from this, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscription button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any episode when they come up. We truly appreciate this. Thank you, and see you on the next one.